Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon caviar. First, you'll need to source fresh salmon roe, preferably still in its skein, from a female salmon. Ensure your workspace is clean and gather tools like a fine mesh sieve. Remember, the roe is delicate, so handle it gently throughout the process to maintain its integrity and avoid breakage. Once you have your salmon roe, submerge the sacks in warm water, around 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, for 1 to 2 minutes to soften the membrane. Next, gently massage the sacks or rub them against a fine mesh sieve to separate the individual eggs. After separation, rinse the eggs thoroughly with cold water to remove any remaining membrane fragments or impurities, ensuring they are clean and ready for brining. Now it's time to brine your salmon roe. Create a brine solution by dissolving about 1/2 cup of kosher salt in 2 cups of water. It's crucial that the salt is completely dissolved before you add the roe. Gently place the cleaned eggs into the brine and let them soak for 10 to 30 minutes. The longer they soak, the saltier the caviar will be, so taste periodically to achieve your preferred flavor. After brining, drain the eggs using a fine sieve and give them a brief rinse with cold water. This helps remove excess salt. Carefully transfer your freshly made salmon caviar into a clean, airtight glass jar. Store it in the refrigerator, ideally at 34 degrees Fahrenheit or below, where it will remain fresh for about 7 to 14 days. For these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals, check the description below. Do not freeze the caviar, as this can ruin its delicate texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.